Welcome back, everybody. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you what to do when your Canon EOS digital SLR camera does not power up or won't turn on, no matter what you seem to try, as is the case with this camera right here. Obviously, the first thing I did was check the battery. Battery in these cameras are removable and they are chargeable externally. I went ahead and bought a whole brand new battery pack just to make sure, charge it up to 100%, popped it into the unit, and still no response from the camera. Oh wait, well, there goes my video. Well, what I was going to show you guys was this battery door switch sometimes gets a little wonky. There's a little tiny microscopic switch in here that tells the camera when the battery thing is closed. A lot of times on these older, this is a 40D, a lot of times that will malfunction or just won't make good contact. Clearly that was the case here. However, another thing you can try if it doesn't work is inside the battery case. Once the battery pack is removed, there's a little tab in here. It's a little difficult to see on cam. There it is. Yeah. You go ahead and slide that sucker out with your fingernail, and it'll look like a little SD card kind of thing, but it's actually a battery. This is the clock battery. This is what retains all your settings, your presets, and your clock and date, time and date in the camera when the main pack is removed. This camera takes a CR 2016 lithium battery, available at every store around pretty much. I got this one from Walgreens. They're not cheap, but they don't break the bank. I think this is like $5-6, but they do last a long time. Come on. Oh well, let's go for broke. It'll get some. There we go. This camera needed this changed anyway. This is the original cell that's been in here since the camera was brand new, like 15-20 years ago or whatever. This camera is not young. So anyway, so that's the next thing I was going to try. I was pretty convinced that was it since I tried excuse me, since I tried all of the initial first steps, charging and then replacing the battery pack, letting it sit with no battery in it for a while to kind of reset itself, making sure this door was making good contact, and then this was going to be my last thing, which I was hoping on camera was going to be the magic button. Okay, so that's replaced. And we're in business. Now just set your date and time, set up the camera again the way you like it, and off you go. Happy shooting. Thank you. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, please. I'm deathly close to losing my monetization from my channel, my tiny little channel, because I'm not meeting the monthly subscriber counts on. So I'd appreciate it if you could just subscribe. I don't put out many videos, so I won't be bothering your feed very much. But it does help me tremendously. So if you found this video helpful, please just give me a subscribe. All right, thank you. See you in the next one.